So, andito tayo ngayon sa Aqua Private Residences in Mandaluyong City to check a new foreclosed condo unit. But before that, please subscribe to our YouTube channel at Foreclosed Hub. So, let's go and check this out. So, ang kagandahan sa unit na to is same level lang siya nung box garden. Ayan. 38th floor po tayo. And then yung unit is dito lang. Halos across the box garden. So this is the unit. This is around 26 square meters. 1 bedroom. And this is the bathroom with shower enclosure. So this is as is where is. Upon turnover, all the movables inside this unit are included in the sale. And facing Pasig River and Rockwell. And konting amenity area na rin. Ayun yung amenities. So this is around 4.1 million. And this is negotiable. Pwede natin siya makuha around 3.7 million. And this is available in cash or at least 20% spot down payment and then 80% balance bank financing exclusive of taxes and fees. So as you can see, yan, may mga gamit pa yung unit natin. May built-in cabinets po tayo. Then we have appliances, furniture, cooktop, mattress. These are all included in the sale, including this air conditioning unit. But we cannot guarantee that all the appliances are still working. So again, if you are interested to make an offer and schedule a property showing, please message us directly. This is usually first come first serve, but if the management receive multiple offers for this property, a bidding may be conducted. The unit is actually in good condition, livable status. So again, if you are interested, message us directly.